In a small village, during the holy month of Ramadan, lived a young boy named Yusuf. Yusuf was eagerly anticipating his first full fast, inspired by the examples set by his family and community. The village mosque had seen a flurry of activities as the faithful engaged in prayers, charity, and reflection. Yusuf awoke early in the morning for Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, with his family. His parents reminded him of the significance of fasting as a form of worship and a way to learn discipline and empathy for those less fortunate. After sharing a simple meal and sipping a glass of water, Yusuf joined his family in far prayer as the sky began to lighten. The day was bright and inviting, yet Yusuf knew the challenge ahead. He attended school, engaged with his classmates, and recited the Qur'an during breaks. As the midday heat intensified, Yusuf felt the pangs of hunger and thirst. His friends who were also fasting encouraged him, reminding each other of the reward and joy of completing a fast. Yusuf's teacher narrated stories of prophets who demonstrated immense patience and devotion, particularly Prophet Musa. These stories filled Yusuf's heart with determination. As the sun set, Yusuf sat with his family for iftar, the meal to break the fast. His mother prepared dates and provided water, as was the tradition of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. With gratitude, Yusuf broke his fast, feeling immense satisfaction and joy. He joined in the Maghrib prayer, his heart swelling with a sense of achievement and closeness to Allah. Throughout Ramadan, Yusuf persevered in his fasting, each day growing in patience, discipline, and empathy. He realized that fasting was not just about abstaining from food and drink but about nurturing a heart filled with humility and gratitude. The experience taught Yusuf the value of patience and perseverance, instilling in him the belief that discipline and trust in Allah can lead to spiritual fulfillment.